Solo, see, I beg, find where go hide first. Fat don't burst, town don't spoil.
Papa, I just joined yesterday now.
Solo, see, you not get update, let me call you, tell you so. No worry, if I will go, if I don't finish, you want to survive, I go introduce you, give them, make you know them. No worry, if I will go first. See, that one number one man, they don't fall on me. They don't fall on.
Papa, I'm not joining again.
You say? How far, Solo? What did they say? Don't they tell you one thing every time? You don't find, you be fine boy. But you need to come join fine boys finish. Make your fineness correct.
Boss, now I want to cash out for one X-bet. I mean the reason so.
Forget that thing. We get squad. So if you join now, you go to get contract.
Now legit money are the fine. You know my friend John, as he make him first deposit, one SBet give him 200% bonus as he use the promo code PillsBet. After the follow talk now, so John don't buy properties for everywhere. If you not be legit money, count me out.
Baby, what is the problem?
This guy just match my shadow.
Baba, wait this up. How you today? Why you go match my girlfriend shadow?
Madam, I match.
Baba, they follow you talk, you want to explain. Jesus, Baba, you don't know what I today. Hello, Akiko. You go red though. They just match my girlfriend shadow. Control me, come. You don't know.
Osas, I don't ready. Wait. But now join us, I want join.
So we find boy, they get process, now the process we get. So carry this normal start, call the do like my man here. You gonna boy, play this guy.
Solo, Chair. By the power confined in me as the head of this group, I hereby officially welcome you as a member of this group.
Woski! Yeah! Should people stop saying me I don't be member now?
No, that was they seal her up so now. That was they seal her up.
Who got that blow? Who got that blow?
Solo, see, I beg, find where go hide first. Fat don't burst, town don't spoil.
Papa, I just joined yesterday now.
So no, see, you not get update, let me call you, tell you so. No worry, if I will go, if I don't finish, you want to survive, I go introduce you, give them, make you know them. No worry, if I will go first. See, that one number one man, they don't fall on me. They don't fall on.
Papa, I'm not joining again.
You say?
Brother Solo.